kung saan na naman kami mapapadpad. Wala po akong idea kung saan yun. Basta sama lang po ako. Kasi it's holiday here in UAE. Road trip with a fan. Hi Alexa. Hi Auntie. Hi. Safety first. Safety first. Samahan nyo kami sa aming paglalakbay ngayong araw na ito. Okay? Okay. Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Saan tayo? Sa Shahama na to?
This is Shahama. Welcome to the Palace of Governor si Al Kubaisi.
Wow, wow, wow.
Mag-harvest kami bukas. Kasi
hello, hello, hello.
malunggay.
Ano?
Yan ang malunggay ng bayan. Yan ang kangkong.
Ito ang King Kong.
Saan ang
Ito ang King Kong. Ito ang King Kong. Ito ang King Kong.
Ito yung, ay! Nandito yung ano ko, first charming ko. Halikan ko. Love light nga. Hello!
Saan ka pupunta?
Ang sarap.
Ako pag-iipit ah. Ay, gusto ko yan mahigit. Anong klase mahigit? Gusto ko yun. Nag-shake na?
Ayan, unlimited na massage na. Diyan ka lang ha. Diyan ka lang ha. Alis na kami.
Ako naman yung bumili.
Diyan ka lang. These chips, the chili they make in the chips, magic chili. So we'll try. What's this? This chili. Puding. It's so good. Kapag chili.
There's also a nut inside. Yes.
Bulong ako. Itulak mo ko! Itulak mo ko! Wow! Diba? Ganyan.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Kuya, gala tayo dyan naman. Di ba pwede ito? Yeah!
Wow!
Yes,
The sand! Let's go! Oh! Look at that! All of the sand! Oh!
And we're here.
We are ready.
Hi. We just got here. Liwa. Kakaiba po yung langgam dito.
Ano yan? Langgam ng mga dates?
Ang laki.
Lalaki.
Parang ipis na. Oh. Tingnan niyo po ang langgam. Yan po pa ako. Ganyan siya kalaki. Parang ipis. Oh, ang laki. Grabe, langgam ba to? Ang joke na langgam. Oh.
Giant. Giant lang.
Giant ant. Chips muna, para gaantay sa barbecue. Wagib daw, baby. And the free. Wow! How about Aya? Wow, you dance very good.
Mga baliw eh, no?
Vloggers.
You see guys, lamb chop. Ito pa.
And then, banana.
Siyempre.
Lamb chops. Hindi ko, kasi ako vloggers. Di ba? Basta lamb. Masarap kainin. Lamb chops. Basta yun yun. Lamb. Ate, tatawanan ako.
Grilled lamb chops. Jing, dapat magbigkas na siya.
Ano daw?
Grilled lamb chops.
Green lamb
chops.
Lamb chops. What is this? What is this?
This is
Let Jing Jing say it. Jing Jing, what is this?
that is a camel. No.
What is that?
Camel.
Well, again.
Lamb chop mo na kasi hindi pa nag-grill. Lamb chop mo na.
Ano?
Lamb chop, ito partner ko si Madam.
Chop, chop.
Barbecue na.
Si Madam.
When you drink the karaoke, you will come a karaoke. Too much review.
Coffee. Ayan, nakakain na ako kayo sa labas.
Smells so good. Wala pang gatas yan, ha? Hi, ate.
Gawang-gawa na ako eh.
Yeah, making karaoke while dancing here.
Social disinfectant.
Social disinfectant. Wow. Nam.
Sarap nito. Ang barbecue ito. Iba to. Marinated to ni Dudoy. Si Dudoy pala, siya yung may-ari nitong farm na to.
Yeah.
So kami yung first na bisita niyan dinala rito. So under renovation pa, kaya ginagawa, no? Eh si Mader, oh.
Mader.
Mader, wag mo lang i-direkta sa apoy. Mader, magagalit yun. Sige. Oh, salang ko na ulit ito.
Salang.
Hindi, kasi may nakatakip na yun.
Hindi nalaman.
Titikman ko.
Wow!
Ito.
Yung mga nasa gitna. Sure up.
Nakita niyo na ang stars.
Ito yung star.
Is that the card blue? I mean, two or yellow?
You have to pick a card there. Or
No,
you have nothing to throw. You already picked.
Yes, sir.
So it's my turn.
Oh no, Uno!
Apple card.
Oh my goodness, it's saying something! There's always something. You have yellow or nine.
So we have to turn.
Hello, and I'm with these two girls now. Say hi, girls. Say hi, both of you. Hi, May. What are you up to there?
It's so soft. We're here in the sand. Here in the stepping on the sand.
Uh-huh. What is this?
I don't know if this is normal sand because some sands are dangerous.
Really?
It might sink into the sand. Yeah, because it's too soft. It has a lot of water in it.
So this is not normal. May? Is it normal or not?
Alright. Only here, only here.
Look at we're so long.
Where are we? Liwa. Where are we?
Liwa store. Ay, Liwa.
Liwa store.
Desert. San June.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Siyempre, may good. Talagang sadya ko to.
Pagka nasa auto na, video, so mag-loop kaya tayo ron.
We stay there. Yeah, there. Gymnast. Okay, fine.
I like your hair.
You like my hair?
Yeah. And I also like your hair, May.
Smile, May. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everybody. Hi. We're here in Lawi Desert.
What Lawi?
Nice.
Liwa.
Lawi.
What Lawi?
Liwa. Lawi Desert. Liwa. Lawi. Liwa. We're in Liwa Desert. We're in Liwa Desert.
Liwa.
Liwa, not Liway.
Asan yung karne? Nasa ilalim. Ayaw mo na kung ano yung para mas
Tapos na po kami kumain ng lunch and dinner. Sinama na lahat.
hindi ako basta
And uwi na kami maya-maya. Back to the city. First time I ate biryani and taste out. So that's it, guys. At pauwi na kami back to the city.